we are going to consider now the point pre-dissociation. What is meant by pre-dissociation? The central continuum occurring at energies well below the true dissociation limit is referred to as pre-dissociation. Now, if we consider figure A, this is a vibration electronic spectrum. In this case, that V11, it represents a continuum. So when molecule dissociates, we get continuum. We have learned it in a Franck-Condon principle. Now, before that dissociation limit, molecule can dissociate. That region is called as the region of pre-dissociation. So the pre-dissociation can arise when the Morse curves of a particular molecule in two different excited states intersects. Now what is meant by this? Consider this figure B. So this is here written as from lower state. So initially molecule is in the ground state. When it get excited, we get first excited state. After that there is a excited state second. So this is the Morse curve of excited state 1 and this is the continuum of the excited state second. So in this case pre-dissociation can occur. Now excited state 1 is stable since it has minimum in the curve. This is the minimum. So it has minimum in its curve. Excited state second is a continuous. It is not stable. Now some of the vibrational levels are also shown. Let us suppose a transition takes place from some lower state into the vibrational levels shown in the bracket. Now if a transition takes place into the levels A, B or C, so here I have written A, B, C. Now if a transition takes place into the levels A, B or C, we get a normal vibrational electronic spectrum occurs complete with the rotational fine structure. Okay, now if the transition is to the levels D, E or F, here is D, E and F. Now from this lower state, there is a lower state. From that lower state to transition takes place to suppose D, E or F, there is a possibility that the molecule will cross over onto the continuous. Molecule will cross over to the continuous curve and thus dissociate. So as there is a intersection of these two curves, Morse curve 1 and Morse curve second, the transition to the state D, E or F, at that transition molecule can get dissociate. In Franck-Condon principle, we have seen that when transition takes place to upper levels like I, J, K, here molecule dissociates at that level and we get continuum. But here as two excited states intersect, due to that intersection molecule can dissociate at the D, E or F. On the other hand, if transitions into level G, H or I, it will give again a normal vibrational electronic spectrum including rotational fine structure once more. So again we will consider the figure A. If we consider that V06, V07, so that correspond to the transitions to A, B or C. If we consider V08, V09, it correspond to the pre-dissociation because transition takes place to the level D, E or F. And again if we consider V010, it correspond to the some level like G, H, I, etc. And after that further the molecule can dissociate and we get a flattened curve, Morse curve. So this is about pre-dissociation. So we have to write definition of pre-dissociation. What is pre-dissociation? The central continuum occurring at energies well below the true dissociation limit is referred to as a pre-dissociation. Okay.